The much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup is drawing closer, and enthusiasts are eager to discover what's in store. We've gathered information on 4 significant changes you can expect to see. 5. Optical zoom module. In a surprising move, Samsung is shifting from the well-loved 10x optical zoom module to a 5x module for the S24 Ultra. While this might disappoint some, it could actually be a game changer. The 5x module promises better performance in low light and enhanced portrait mode capabilities. This change will be powered by a new 50-megapixel sensor, ensuring that you still get excellent zoom quality. Keywords: Samsung S24 Ultra optical zoom module, camera upgrade, low light performance, portrait mode, 50-megapixel sensor. Impressive peak brightness. The S24 Ultra is set to deliver a remarkable peak brightness of 2500 nits, a 42% increase over its predecessor. This increase in brightness indicates a potential boost in outdoor visibility as well, bringing it in line with competitors like Apple. The sustained high brightness may set Samsung apart from its rivals. Keywords: peak brightness, outdoor visibility, display enhancement, ATR brightness, Samsung S24 Ultra display. Processor switch. Samsung's processor choice is changing again, with the S24 lineup rumored to feature the Exynos 2400 despite the Snapdragon's success in the S23. Early benchmarks show the Exynos 2400 performing close to the Snapdragon 8 bringing a balance between performance and battery efficiency. The S24 Ultra, however, will still come with the Snapdragon chip, ensuring top-tier performance. Keywords: Exynos 2400, Snapdragon 8 processor choice, benchmark performance, battery efficiency. Design tweaks. The S24 and S24 Plus will sport a flat frame design, a departure from the rounded frames of the S23. While this change offers better grip, it might impact overall comfort. The S24 Ultra's frame, on the other hand, is made of titanium for added durability. The display is now flat, a significant shift from the curved displays seen in previous Ultra models. Keywords: Samsung S24 design, titanium frame, curved display, flat display, enhanced durability. In addition to these major changes, there are several smaller tweaks and exciting new color options. Colors like black, gray, violet, and yellow are set to grace the S24 models, with the possibility of exclusive online colors like orange, light blue, and green. These changes in the Samsung S24 lineup promise an exciting mix of innovations and design alterations catering to various consumer preferences. As the release date approaches, tech enthusiasts can look forward to experiencing these improvements firsthand. Stay tuned for more updates on the S24, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below.